soaking into the nature of something, soaking into nature, connecting deeply with the nature around us, nourishes us, makes us connected to the larger world that we are part of. And so we gently ease into this beautiful world of nature and flowers in today's practice. So you can do this either with nature around you, a place where you can see flowers, or hold a flower that is very resonant to you. So if you can pick up a flower and hold it in your hand in this practice. Or you can even hold or open any image of a natural surrounding of a flower, something that has really spoken to you. When I say spoken, relating to you, feel connected to the flower, any image of a flower. So take a minute and become completely available to this moment. You can use your breath, anchor yourself in your breath. Just simply connect to your breath as it is in the moment. And gently open up like a flower that opens to the sun. Open up your being to all the vastness around, be it above you, be it around you horizontally, behind you, or below you. Gently open your being to the vastness, to the space around you and above you. And we hold a pause of opening up to receive, allowing our being as we breathe in and breathe out. We hold an inner pause of opening up to receive. And whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes and connect to the flower or flowers around you. If you've chosen a flower, then hold that or observe that. If you have not chosen, simply allow your gaze, not seeking something, not desiring something, but simply observing and connecting to the flowers around you, and you'll feel called for to move towards one particular flower, or your attention falls on any one flower. Then as you begin to notice the flower, whether it's outside, whether it's an image or in your hand, begin to gently notice and observe the flower. You can observe the minuteness, observe the texture or the color. Begin to go into the different shades that are there in the flower. Notice the center of the flower. Observe if you can feel any vibration from the center of the flower or the petals of the flower. And all of this from your deeper heart to the flower. And gently for a minute or two, simply connect to the flower, connect to the quality of the flower, not what we are seeking from it, but what the flower emanates. And then gently begin to open up to receive the flower as it is. Allow your being to feel the flower. Allow your being to receive any vibration or quality or message from the flower. And we simply receive. All the while observing our breath and staying connected. We do this in our own pace for a few minutes. Begin to go beyond the fragrance, the color, the structure of the flower, and gently go down to its own quality or essence. You don't need to find it out. We simply be with the flower, stay with the flower, and then open up to any felt sense, vibration, or a feeling or quality, softness, stillness, strength, courage, power. So we don't figure it out, but we allow the flower to express and we receive. And as we feel that, we gently open our being, open our deeper heart, open our right from the skin till the bones to the nerves. Simply receive that beautiful quality from the flower. And if the flower chooses to know, we simply receive and thank the flower and hold the flower and just be with the process. You gently let go. With the flowers in hand, you can gently continue to keep it, or keep it aside. Come back to your own inner center intuitively and receive the vibration fully, the goodness fully. Receive the quality from the flower. Thank the flower. You can either continue to keep the flower with you throughout the day or place it back around its plant. Place it in the water and replenish it. If it's around you, then gently step back in your gaze and thank the entirety of nature around you that supported this flower. Thank the sun, thank the nature. And then specifically hold in gratitude and awe the divine beauty in flowers. And then gently close your eyes, come back to your own inner center. Open up your being to this quality. Open up to the abundance of blessings that is available around nature, around us, and how we are a part of nature and nature a part of us. And for gratitude to our breath, gratitude to our body. It's also the creation of nature and divine. And simply open up to the preciousness of life, preciousness of the journey of life, and the preciousness of flowers. Take your time, wrap up the practice in your own way. And then whenever you're ready, you can connect back to your breath, connect back to your surroundings. Then open your eyes and conclude the practice. Take gratitude.